So listen, y'all who know me know I like to cook. You know I like to camp. So I thought, why not combine the two and make a series of cooking videos that you can make when you're outside camping. You're hungry, you need to eat. Why sacrifice quality of food when you're out camping? So we're gonna give you some videos, hopefully in the next couple of weeks, of meals that you can make when you're out camping. Tonight, we're working on a penne pasta with a pork ragu sauce. Chef Vincenzo would kill me for saying this is a fucking ragu sauce. So sorry, chef, but I think you guys will appreciate this. Definitely give it a try, whether it's in your kitchen or when you're out camping. It's a really good recipe.
So as long as you keep the water filled in the tank, it's gonna get enough water. After 6 weeks, $140 is applied.
Hey! Come on, man. Guys, let me know in the comments when you're out camping what meals you make, and we'll test them out. Try the recipe, make your tweaks to it. Everyone knows that you never make the same recipe twice. Go for it and let me know what you think. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching.